I am going to derive the expression of the relative velocity. So the expression of relative velocity, how you will determine? Suppose this is an object A and this is an object B. Both are moving with the velocity VA and VB. This is the sign of vector which you will read in the next chapter. Okay, so VA is the velocity of A and VB is the velocity of B. Now, if we consider that uniform velocity of A is equal to VA and uniform velocity of B is equal to VB. Similarly, at time t is equal to 0, xa 0 naught displacement of A at t is equal to 0, xb naught displacement of A at t is equal to 0. And after t is equal to 0 time, when both the bodies start moving, they will cover some displacement. So xa is the displacement of A at time t and xb is the displacement of A at time t, same time. So for an object A, when we are going to write the displacement, so the displacement is the total displacement of object A is the displacement at t is equal to 0 and displacement at time t with velocity VA. So at time t is equal to 0, this is the displacement xa naught, and at time t displacement is velocity multiplied by time, VA multiplied by t. Similarly, for the object B, you will write the same expression. Total displacement of B from t is equal to 0 to t, xb naught plus vb t. So these two equations you have got, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Subtract equation 2 from 1. You will be getting xb minus xa, and after subtracting, when you will subtract left hand side and right hand side, you will be getting xb naught minus xa, one expression, and vb minus va into t. This is another expression of this condition. So xb minus xa is equal to xb naught minus xa naught and vb minus va into t. What is this? This I have considered the equation 4. What is this? This is the total displacement at time t is equal to 0. So this is the initial displacement of object B with respect to object A at time t is equal to 0. This is called initial displacement. कि जब दोनों स्टार्ट में चलना तो उनके बीच में इतना डिस्प्लेसमेंट था. मान लो ये अगर 2 किलोमीटर से स्टार्ट हुई चलना और ये 1 किलोमीटर से स्टार्ट हुई चलना, तो दोनों के बीच का डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना हुआ? t इज इक्वल टू 0 पे 1 किलोमीटर. तो ये 1 किलोमीटर इनका इनिशियल डिस्प्लेसमेंट है, जो कि ये दिमाग के रहा है. एंड आफ्टर दैट नाउ at time t, xb minus xa is equal to x. This is the displacement at time t, and this is called the relative displacement. This is called the relative displacement of object b with respect to a at time t. t टाइम पर ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट आएगा इनका. ठीक है. नाउ इक्वेशन नंबर 3, this equation can be this equation which you have written here. This is xb minus xa and xb naught and xa naught can be written as like this. In place of xb minus xa x, and in place of xb naught minus xa naught you will write x naught and vb minus va t. Now take this x naught here, you will be getting x minus x naught and vb minus va into t. Now this can be written as vb minus va is equal to what? X minus x naught upon t. Now see this expression. What does this expression indicate? This indicates the rate of change of relative position of B with respect to A between time t is equal to 0 to t is equal to t. So this is called the rate of change of relative position of B with respect to A. This is at time t and this is at time t is equal to 0 divided by time. So this expression indicates the relative velocity of object B with respect to object A. Okay, can be written as in the symbol form. It will be written as VBA. VBA means relative velocity of B with respect to A, and this is VB minus VA. Velocity of B and A with respect to Earth. एंड ये जो बी बी और बी ए इंडिविजुअली होगा, ये होंगी इन दोनों की वेलोसिटी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू अर्थ, स्टेशनरी ऑब्जेक्ट की. Now, if we are going to take the relative velocity of A with respect to B, so you will write the same expression in this form, VAB. Now this is written as VA vector minus VB vector. So this is the expression of the relative velocity for the two objects when they are in motion.